How's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys an intraday trading strategy that most people don't even know about. This strategy has a high win rate, so you can make consistent money every day, even if you're a beginner. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. It is for information purposes only. So first, you're going to go into TradingView, and this is what your chart's going to look like once it's set up. But once you log in, it's not going to look like that. So I'll show you guys how to set up the charts and set up the settings from the beginning. So this is what your chart is going to look like once you enter the trading view. I'll be using 15-minute time frame and high Kanashi candles for this intraday trading strategy. So the first indicator that you're going to use is the Chandelier exit. By Everget, this one right here. Click on that and we're going to change some settings for this indicator. So let's go into settings right here. In the input tab, we're going to change the ATR period to 1 and we're going to change the ATR multiplier to 2. And then we're going to uncheck this. Then in style, we'll make some changes. Also, there's a lot of stuff going on over here, so the only thing that we're going to keep checked is the buy label and the sell label. We're going to uncheck everything else. We don't need to change anything else for this indicator now. Click OK. Now we're going to add two more indicators, and both of these are going to be RSI. So we're going to add RSI, the Relative Strength Index, or we're going to add it twice. Now let's make changes in the settings of RSI. We're going to go right here into settings. First, in the input tab, you're going to change the RSI length to 100. Then you're going to go into style and uncheck the RSI-based MA, and then we're going to make some other changes just so we can differentiate it from other lines. So I'm going to make this RSI white, and we're going to get rid of the upper band, lower band, and also the background fill. And we're going to make the RSI middle band yellow, so it's a little bit easier to see. And we got rid of all that background noise because we don't need the lower band and the upper band for this. Click OK, and now we're going to make changes to the lower RSI. So we're going to go into settings again and get rid of the RSI base moving average. We're going to leave RSI as purple, and then we're going to get rid of the upper band and lower band. And make the middle band yellow, and we're going to uncheck the background stuff too because we don't want that. And then we're going to go into inputs, and for this one, we're going to change the RSI length to 25. Click OK, and our chart looks perfect. Now we're going to overlap both of these RSIs. So for this, you're going to go into more, move to existing pane below. You'll see that there's a little bit of a difference right here. So we're going to fix that again. We'll click right here on more, pin to scale, and we're going to do pin to scales. Now it is completely overlapped and looks good. Now that our indicators are completely set, let's get into the strategy. We are going to have a look at the rules for a long trade for this strategy. Number one, you're going to wait for a buy signal, but you're not going to get in just because you've got a buy signal or a sell signal. You got to have confirmation on that stuff, because there's going to be a lot of false signals that you guys are going to be getting. So for confirmation, the second thing is that you want to make sure that the 25-period RSI has crossed the 100-period RSI and moved up. You want to ensure that the 25-period RSI, which is the purple one in our case, is above the 100-period RSI, which is the white one. This is why it is very important to change the colors of the two lines so that we can differentiate between them easily. So you want to make sure that the purple line is above the white line. Thirdly, the RSI has to be above the yellow dotted line right here, which is the 50 mark. But you have to stay extremely disciplined with this stuff. I'm going to show you some examples of a short and long trade and also situations where you would not have gotten in a trade. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. And if you want to learn some more awesome trading strategies, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So here we have a good example for a buy trade. As we can see over here, you get the buy signal. The 25 RSI has crossed above the 100 and moved up, and the price action is above the dotted line. So we want positive and bullish momentum in this trading strategy. So you get into this trade right here. I like to put my stop loss at the recent swing low if I'm going long, and then I'll do like a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and we'll hit take profit somewhere around here. If you also want to make money with this strategy or with cryptocurrencies, then you can also open an account on Bitget. I trade on this exchange myself, and every new user is entitled to a $3,000 sign-up bonus. You can easily claim the bonus in the rewards center. Bitget is a reliable exchange where you can easily open buy and sell positions. As you can see, I myself have over $93,000 on this exchange and currently have a buy position open with over $13,000 profit. You can visit Bitget using the link below this video. Only if you use the link under this video, you are entitled to the $3,000 sign-up bonus. Take a quick look because this promotion is only temporary. Now let's take a look at the rules for a short position. For the short position, the rules are going to be the exact opposite. You're going to wait for the sell signal like right here to make sure that 25-period RSI has crossed the 100-period RSI and moved down like right here, and the RSI should be below the yellow dotted line. So here we can perform a short trade, so we would get in the trade, and I like to keep the stop loss at the recent swing high for a short trade. If you do a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, we would hit profit right there. So again, make sure you backtest these things. If you see right here, this is a great example of a false signal. You got a sell signal right here, but the 25 RSI has not crossed below the 100 RSI. So this would not be a valid trade, and you can see how it just started going back up after this. Here also, we have another example of a false signal. You got a sell signal, but the 25 RSI has not crossed below the 100 RSI, and the RSI is still above the 50 line, so again, invalid trade. This is an excellent strategy. Just make sure you follow the rules strictly and also backtest it yourself. If you like this strategy, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more of these, and I'll see you on the next one.